Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, Darius and I are at Bruce Vento Nature Sanctuary. My hair just does not want to go from the damn wind. I've known about this park for years. It's another park that I've known for years. Just never had a chance to come here until today.
A cave found in the park is an important site for Native Americans. The cave was called Wagon Teepee or Spirit House. In 1766, Jonathan Carver explored the cave and noted many figures carved into the stone. Visitors later said they didn't see any markings in the cave. The flowing water in the cave may have collapsed the cave ceiling, destroying the carvings on the walls. "87 years later, in 1853, North Star Brewery was built on the land. Jacob Schmidt, a famous Minnesota brewing name, bought the site. The site of the brewery became an industrial area and a rail yard in the 1880s. St. Paul is working for the Dakota people to learn about the sacred Wagon Teepee Cave. Rock slabs that used to be in the railroad is used to form a waterfall stone bridge, stairway, and ponds. On the day this video goes up, June 14th, my husband and I will be celebrating our 5-year wedding anniversary. The site became abandoned in the 1970s and wasn't touched again until 2005 when the land was made into a park. Volunteers, park and recreation, and neighborhood organizations helped restore the 29-acre park of forests, prairie, and oak savannas. Stormwater that emptied into the Mississippi River was redirected to the 3 ponds in the park and wetlands. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this location. If you've been here, how's your experience? Would you recommend this location to others? And if you haven't been here, would you like to explore this park? Also, please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. If you'd like to know more about our experience from this location and learn what there is to do around the area, plus see how far this location is from the Twin Cities, or check out my socials and see more pictures from this location, check out the description. Plus, the links where I got all my information will be there too.
So this is the end of today's video. Thanks guys so much for watching. You can definitely tell that I got a mosquito bite right there from how much I've been itching. Didn't think this very thoroughly. It's like almost sunset and we didn't think about bringing bug spray. So, whoops, rookie mistake. Got to remember that one. It's summer now. It's no longer spring or winter or whatever. But with that, thanks guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. And we will see you guys next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central.